3 game-changing features Samsung needs for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 to make it a dream foldable phone. In the face of rising competition, Samsung needs to pull out all the stops to create a foldable phone that's not just good, but great. Here are 3 features that could make the Galaxy Z Fold 6 the dream foldable phone we've all been waiting for. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. We always love hearing from you, so drop your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments section below. After leading the foldable market for 5 impressive years, Samsung finds itself in 2024 potentially slipping from the top spot, with competitors like Huawei, Honor, and Motorola hot on its heels, according to a report by Display Supply Chain (DSCC) of Counterpoint Research. Despite the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 not meeting sales expectations, the title of Best Foldable Phone last year went to the OnePlus Open. It offered superior multitasking capabilities, a more user-friendly form factor, and better camera performance than Samsung's offerings, all while being $100 cheaper than the Z Fold 5. As we anticipate the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 as early as this summer, here are 3 features that could restore Samsung's former glory and leave its competitors scrambling for second place. Number 1. Integrated S Pen. The main appeal of large-format foldables is the increased screen space, perfect for content consumption, multitasking with floating windows, or note-taking. Pair that with a stylus, and you've got the most futuristic version of a notebook and pencil. It's a no-brainer. Samsung has been working towards this vision, creating an S Pen-supported case for the Z Fold line over the years. However, needing an additional case to have a stylus ready at all times is still too bulky, inconvenient, and expensive for a device that's already more complex than traditional smartphones. While it's easier said than done, Samsung should incorporate its S Pen stylus into the Galaxy Z Fold 6, much like it has done with the Galaxy Note line since 2011. This single feature would set the Galaxy apart from other foldables on the market and make the transition for Galaxy S Ultra users who likely have similar power needs as Z Fold users much smoother. Number 2. Wider and lighter form factor. One reason I prefer the OnePlus Open over the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is its form factor. The OnePlus has a wider external screen that feels more like a traditional phone when folded. It's also lighter than the Galaxy, weighing in at 245 grams compared to 253. The OnePlus Open's reachability, especially when used with one hand, makes the Galaxy Z Fold 5 feel like an ergonomic nightmare. For the next model, I'd like to see Samsung experiment with new aspect ratios, preferably wider and shorter ones that make using the phone less of a stretch. I shouldn't have to extend my thumb as if I'm trying to lengthen it just to reach a webpage logo. A shorter display also means horizontal videos appear less cropped with smaller letterboxing, black bars that fill any gaps on the screen. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Lite. For a change, Samsung should consider releasing a light version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This could mean foregoing features like a telephoto lens, wireless charging, and under-display camera, which I've almost forgotten about, using an older but still capable chipset. Perhaps even reserving the built-in S Pen for the regular model and selling it at a lower price point. I'm not suggesting anything under $1,000. The Galaxy Z Flip fills that niche, but a price around $1,200, close to the more regular Galaxy S24 Ultra, would make the foldable a more attractive purchase. And that wraps up our deep dive into the potential game changers for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Remember, your engagement helps us create more content tailored to your interests. For the latest updates on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and other groundbreaking tech, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. We always love hearing from you, so drop your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments section below. This is No Technology Tech Review channel, keeping you in the loop with the future of technology. Until next time, peace out.